Lila, show us how you can crawl. Come over here. Come here. Do you see the kitty? That's Dave, isn't it? Dave the kitty. Do you love Dave? It's almost like he's trying to get away from you. Now look, show everyone the shelves where we had to take everything off them. Not everything, I guess there's that still, but the shelves are all empty now. We have a few pictures still, but those probably won't last long. Because you grab everything, right? You little crawler.